Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
What's up, guys? It's Dr. O. Welcome to another episode of the Dental Drive. Dexter, say hello. Hey, look, he looked at you. Yeah, good job, buddy. All right, so today we're going to talk about why do you have sugar and like cookies, freshly baked cookies, and frappuccinos and cappuccinos with sugar in them at a dental office? Are you just trying to job security, just trying to keep business coming in the door? Man, you guys have a plan to give everybody cavities so you have a job security and keep in business. I've actually had a few people say that. Isn't that funny? So if you actually know how decay works, that doesn't make any sense, right? It takes a lot more than one or two sugary beverages or a cookie. Otherwise, we'd all have cavities. So anyways, the reason we do it, probably most of you are like, well, duh, I know why they do it. The reason we do it is you're in our home, right? And we love our patients. And what do you do when you have somebody over to your house? What is the hospitable thing to do, the hospitality? It's to give them something to drink and offer them something to eat. And so we kind of think that should be the way that we should treat people when they come to our dental practice. And so we put that into motion. So we have special cookies. Let me not get in a wreck here. That's a good idea. We have special freshly baked cookies that we make every day. And then we also have ability in our office to brew a local espresso from Traveler's Coffee. So shout out to Traveler's Coffee. Your coffee rocks. We love it. We brew it every day for our patients fresh, mix it with, regular milk, and then do the little splash of flavoring as you kind of saw in the thumbnail for this video. So that's why we do it. Love people, love patients, want to give something that makes them feel welcome. I mean, when you go to a dental practice, how many of you are like, dude, I'm nervous, I don't like it, I'm anxious, and the smell, the taste, just everything, so much anxiety, right? So that is the idea behind our beverage center, our freshly baked cookies. I mean, when you walk in, it's like grandma's house. You got these freshly baked chocolate chip cookies that fill the lobby, and you've also got, we have peanut butter cookies. I think, peanut butter, and there's one, I think oatmeal. So I don't know. Which one of those is your guys' favorite? Chocolate chip cookies, peanut butter cookies, or oatmeal cookies? I like them all, but I'm sure there's some favorites for you guys. So, well, let's see. I hope you guys like the intro. Did anybody like the intro? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And maybe consider subscribing to the channel if you thought that was cool. Also, at the end here, I'm going to give you a kind of a montage of our back patio. And that's going to be another question. Why would you have an outdoor patio at a dental practice with waterfalls where people can sit and enjoy a little bit of outdoors? Well, it's an outdoor waiting area, right? We have an indoor lobby. We put in an outdoor lobby. It's kind of an oasis for our patients to sit and enjoy while they might be waiting for their same-day crowns or cosmetic dentistry. Also, if you're in braces or Invisalign in our practice, or you have a kid that's getting treatment, it's kind of nice. Most of the parents are like, peace out. It's a nice day. I'm going to go out back. And they get to utilize our outdoor waiting area. So that's why we got it. We call it the patio. And then we've got innovative falls you'll get to see. It's little waterfalls. We like to have a little bit of fun there. So it's also filled with koi fish so that our kiddos can go out there and look at the koi fish. So I rambled a little bit about all the amenities, but the amenities are really nothing more than to try to create a unique environment in a dental practice and try to change the way that people perceive this anxious environment that kind of feels closed off, closed in, not outdoors for sure, right? And so that's what it's about. Also, I didn't get anybody to comment about the little kind of semi-announcement I made yesterday about doing kind of a smile for free with travel. we're gonna have some details about that, but it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna change someone's life this summer. It's gonna be really cool. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, because we're gonna make some announcements with that, and it's gonna be really, really neat how we're going to bring somebody. We're gonna, if they're local, great. But if there's somebody we gotta fly in, we're gonna fly them in, and that includes anywhere. I've been told not to say this, but we're gonna do it. Anywhere on this planet. So planet Earth. If you live on planet Earth, and we can somehow help you, and you qualify, and you win the vote, and we'll give you all the details. I'm giving too much. But if you do, then you're gonna get to fly to Springfield, Missouri, and transform your smile and hopefully improve your life. But anyways, this video is too long. I wanted to keep it about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna peace out. Next week, I know I had some people questioning what. I know a couple topics we'll have is fluoride. By the way, the dental drive. We work Monday through Thursday, and Friday we typically do cosmetic treatment on Friday, so it's by appointment, not a full day. But I'm going to do the dental drive Monday through Thursday. It's obviously fairly time consuming, and kind of a fun fact, all of this, because I'm trying to be quick with it, because I've got family and kids to take care of and enjoy. This is all being shot with on an iPhone and then edited in iMovie. So kind of fun, right? iMovie's like really cool. I don't know if anybody's used iMovie, but it's pretty nice stuff. So, all right, I've talked too long. You guys have been patient to listen to me, but you guys have an awesome weekend. You will get a smile of the week. Pretty excited about that. There's going to be a new face in our video from our team, and that'll be kind of a nice way to introduce her and share some excitement about some braces. So that's coming up. But you guys have an awesome day, awesome weekend. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling.